In the early 18th century, Europe stood on the cusp of monumental transformation. The dawn of the Industrial Revolution brought about sweeping changes across landscapes both rural and urban. Among these changes was a significant evolution in agriculture, marked by the establishment of the first modern farm equipment shop in 1728. Picture a quaint village in the heart of England, where farming was the lifeblood of the community. The land was tilled using methods passed down through generations, relying heavily on manual labor and rudimentary tools. But change was in the air. Enter Thomas Havers, a visionary blacksmith with a profound understanding of mechanics and an unwavering belief in progress. Havers saw the potential for innovation to revitalize agriculture and improve the livelihoods of farmers across the region. Driven by this vision, Havers transformed his modest blacksmith shop into a hub of ingenuity, a shop like no other. It was in 1728 that he first unveiled a prototype of a horse-drawn seed drill. Unlike anything seen before, this invention promised to plant seeds in uniform rows at consistent depths, a true marvel of precision at the time. Word of Havers' seed drill spread like wildfire, captivating the imaginations of farmers eager to embrace more efficient techniques. The establishment of Havers' shop marked a turning point. No longer were farmers constrained by tools that had changed little over the centuries. With a burgeoning interest in machinery, Havers expanded his offerings. His shop became a meeting place for talented craftsmen, inventors, and agriculturalists who shared his passion for innovation. As they collaborated, new ideas were forged and brought to life, each more ambitious than the last. From mechanical threshers to plows that cut through soil with unprecedented ease, the shop was a crucible of exploration and advancement. Havers' farm equipment shop was not just a place of transactions. It was a breeding ground for knowledge, where aspiring inventors apprenticed to learn and develop their skills. Local farmers began flocking to Havers, eager to procure the latest tools that would lighten their burdens and increase their yields. The impact of the shop reverberated beyond the village. Havers' equipment began to find its way to neighboring communities and eventually to distant markets. This proliferation of machinery heralded the beginning of modern agriculture and laid the groundwork for transformative agricultural practices across the globe. Even amidst the success, Thomas Havers remained a humble innovator. He dedicated himself to understanding the needs of farmers, providing personalized solutions and adjustments to ensure every tool met its fullest potential. His commitment to quality and innovation won the hearts of many, and his legacy continued long after his own time. The story of the first modern farm equipment shop is a testament to the power of ingenuity and collaboration. It reminds us that progress often begins with a single visionary who dares to reimagine the world. As we reflect on this transformative period, let us draw inspiration from the past as we innovate for a better future in agriculture. If you enjoyed this story, we encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below and support us by liking and subscribing to our channel. Together, we can explore more fascinating tales from history's rich tapestry.